Hey guys, so instead of doing like a video for each section, I'm going to give you one big intro video um, that kind of explains what to do. So um, I'm going to use fifth period as the example class. Every single class will be set up the exact same way. So everything is going to release Monday at 8 a.m. just like normal. I'd suggest you go over to classwork and then topics and go to April 20th through the 24th. It's still set up the exact same way. The first thing you need to do is come here to the resource page, click on it, and it gives you everything that you need for the week as far as review. Now, this week is a huge review of everything we've done since March 23rd. So we're basically closing up this unit. Remember, this unit is all over geometry. So for the first lesson, and there's actually, this video is going to be linked here, so I'll just put that there. For the first lesson, it says Geometry Review Day 1. You can use anything that you need to review any of the geometry. So anything you're still struggling with, I would suggest that you go back and look at that one specific thing or two specific things. So if you're struggling with, trying to figure out if it's a triangle, I'd go back to that first week and go and work on that specific lesson's activity. You don't need to redo an assignment. So whatever it is that you feel you need practice on, when you're done with that, you can click here and it gives you a link to Prodigy and you can play for 15 minutes. I don't want you to go over 15, but you need to get to that 15. So in order to actually make sure I know that you're done, you're going to come back to Google Classroom. And I can't click on it because it hasn't posted yet, but it says play Prodigy for 15 minutes. Make sure you sign in with Google. The grades for this week are actually going to go in the grade book. So the way I'm going to do it is literally based on, did you participate? Did you actually do your 15 minutes in Google? If you got to 15 minutes, it's going to be 100. Every time that you miss a minute, it's going to be a percentage off because I'm just doing it based on minutes. Your class codes are here if you need them, and that should be a 0 for fifth period. But that's really all you need to make sure you do. It should be a nice, short, and sweet lesson. The reason that one is short is because lesson 2 is quite a bit longer. So I'm going to go back to the resource page, and it says Geometry Review Day 2. Same thing, no new activities. If you need to go back and review anything, go ahead and do that. I'm not going to give you extra work. The assignment today is to complete the Google form for the geometry review. It is 20 questions in total. It is in, I believe, 4 sections. These sections are going to be you putting your name in class period. There's going to be a section about triangles. There's going to be a section about area and a section about volume. So it is kind of chunked out so that you're keeping on track. Reminder, you're going to want to do that in one big go because, or you can keep all of your stuff to the side. Like if you keep your work, it doesn't matter. But remember, if you close out of Google Form and you haven't submitted, your work is not going to stay there. Okay. So just a reminder, that's the only downside to Google Forms. So once you're ready for that, you can go over to lesson 2, open up Google Forms, and then work through the sections. So that's really all you need to know for this week. Make sure you are logging in with Google on Prodigy. That way I can actually count it and I can see your work. Okay. There are not going to be any Google Meets that are scheduled. I'll be sending out an email here in a few minutes to let you know what we're going to do. But basically, if you want to do a one-on-one, just private message me or email me and we'll schedule it. It's not a problem. I'm not saying I won't work with you. I will 100% work with you. But I have like the same, like 3 to 5 people showing up every time. So I'd rather just do a one-on-one and give them exactly what they need. And that way it's no big deal. So let me know if you need help. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon.